Farewell is a part of life. It is a time for departure, and a time of departure is always a time for stop thinking what you have got and what you have not. But for me, it is a time to ask for forgiveness if I be a little cart in the class with some of you. But as a teacher, I may say that what I have taught, you will be the judge. But one thing is this, I know that as a teacher, first I loved all my students and then I taught them. There is a saying that old order changeth, yielding destiny. It's a part of life. We cannot help denying this, and I enjoyed teaching this batch, and that's why they will be in my memory for a long time, and I wish all the best for all.
Hello, my final year of School of Law and Justice. You people came here much before I came and joined here. You have seen this place much before I have seen this place. It's been a very short stint with all of you, and I'm glad that your 5 years in a law school is coming to an end, and you will be embarking on a new journey of life and profession. Wish you all the very best. Wish we could have interacted with each other and met each other and have exchanged ideas with each other much more than what we could have. Thank you for being such wonderful students, and wish you all the very best for your future. And like they say, you meet to depart and you depart to meet, and hope to cross paths in future. Thanks guys.
So it is the time to say goodbye, and this is the time you are passing out from your law department. So I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors, and you should shine as bright as the sun. All the best.
Dear outgoing batch of 2024, it was a pleasure teaching you, and we had shared very memorable situations in the class. I hope that all of you shall be very successful in your personal and professional life. And lastly, it was a pleasurable experience. Wish you all the best. Have a great career ahead and a successful life altogether. Thank you.
My dear students, it's time to say goodbye to all of you from your 5 years journey. I'm really proud what you have achieved from this journey, and I wish all the best to your future endeavors. Stay in touch.
Yeah, I hear that our final year students will be passing out this semester, and I wish them all the best in their life endeavor, in their profession, and their higher studies. Thank you.
So the outgoing batch of the 10 semesters, I remember the day when I joined the School of Law and Justice here in Animus University. You were my first batch to teach. So a lot of memories, we have grown together. So very, very, very best of luck to all of you when you go out, you see a new world with full new dreams, and wish you a very best of luck. Thank you.
So this is a farewell video for all my beloved mentees and also the 10th semester students. Wishing you all the best for all your future endeavors. So I guess I hope that you deserve, hope that you gain everything that you wish for in your life. Be happy and persevere through all the hardships that come in your way, and don't lose hope. If anything comes, I know all of you will shine, succeed, and yes, that's it. All the best. Thank you.
I've heard that your juniors are throwing you a farewell party. I'd like to wish you all the best for your career. These 5 years were really challenging for you, with the real challenges after you pass out from this university. Whatever you need, just let me know. I'm always there with you as a teacher, as your mentor. And all the best again for your future. Do good, stay healthy. Thank you.
Well, as I can recall, corporate finance. So I have always took your corporate people's class, and corporate finance semester 8, and you were the first batch I taught. not only in Adamas University but as a whole, because I was a fresher when I entered in the academic job over here. So obviously, good lot of memories. Memories of classes, memories of DTPM ma'am's farewell, and a lot together. We had 3 papers together, so 3 semesters together. Future ahead, so look for it and keep smiling, work hard, rise and shine. Thank you.
I wish you all the success and all the luck in life. Keep achieving and keep repeating.
Good afternoon all, my dear students, rather the future lawyers. On behalf of our library staff, we bid you farewell and wish you all the best for your coming futures. God bless you all, and I wish you all the success in your future. Thank you.
Well, so here a 5 years long journey comes to an end, and I wish a very good, bright future to all my mentees and other students of the 10th semester. This batch has been a very vibrant batch, participating in more or less all the events of the university, and that's it. I would prefer each one of you succeed in your life, each one of you achieve your own goals, and that's it. All the best.
Hey guys, even in this short time, it was lovely to meet with you all. Congratulations in advance for your graduation and all the very best.
I wish good luck to all the outgoing batch this year. May you all reach your future endeavors, and wish you all the success in your upcoming years. May you reach the pinnacle of success, and wish you good luck again. Thank you.
All the best to the dearest students of Cell 10 SOLJ. You were my first batch in SOLJ, and you'll be always very precious and very, very dear to me. Now, as you're going to embark upon a new journey, always remember that this is not the end, this is just the beginning of a new life, and hope to hear great things from you in future, because I know most of you are extremely talented and very, very hardworking, and you know what, I'll miss you a lot. Thank you.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन